Yan. Oh, yes. Alright, sir. We have a random question for you. Basketball player or artista? Basketball player or artista or actor actress? So, mga bata. And where is Manuel? You answered basketball player. Daddy, random question from random people. Sabi ng isa, Leo, bata, basket.
Luka Doncic.
Luka! Inside my dream, sinulat ko sa paper. And it is inside the balloon. Pakihawak natin. You know, Shane, meron ba siyang balloon dyan? Pero paper, may paper inside.
Yes.
Now, inside this, sinulat ko yung aking panaginip. Kung sino yung famous person. So, ipapop natin ito. Daddy, you pop it. And then get the paper inside. Ready, 1, 2, 3, go! Oh. You got the paper, Daddy? Inside paper, show it to everybody. Written, there is none other than a perfect match. It's Luka from my dream, Luka Doncic. Maraming salamat po. You can now see the souvenir, Daddy.